Everyone, I'm again here with another video for the beginners in Office 365 who are working as a support admin. Today I would like to give a quick and useful step to recover to trace a email which is a from user who try to send which is not delivered, and sometimes user complain that they can't send their email and they can't receive they can't receive an email. So as administrator we can trace this. So where is the problem? So for this purpose, on your left hand side on the main page, below left hand side you can see a option admins. Click on the admins. When you click on the admins, we are on the page Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So we are interested in now Exchange Admin Center. Click on left hand side on Exchange Admin Center, and from here go to the mail flow. And under the mail flow option, there is another option which is called Message Trace. So when we click the Message Trace option, we will see on here right inside there's a plus sign says start a trace. Click on the start a trace. Here is the main page. So we know users to for practice purpose, and my user is a test one who sent a message which is one was not delivered and another was delivered. So we will check both of them. So by typing test one, it automatically fill that he is there. Test one. Click test one, and here at the time range. So if he don't know last when he did, so he can he sent the email, so he can select the date which is I have selected from 0 to 2 days. We can fill all of this here as well, but as soon as we will click the search, it will come automatically everything, and it will done by the Microsoft 365 to trace this email. So and there's more options over the summary report, instant online access, enhanced summary report, download CSV file, only extended report, download CSV file. We can do all of this, but here we are only interested in summary report, instant online access. Click search. So now this is the page where Mr. Test1 is as a sender. He sent a email to J Oreo and J Pita. We will check first the J Oreo email. Select this one and click. When we click this, we can see here that it's diagnosing automatically. So when we are on this page, we can see that it's not delivered. It was received, processed, but not delivered. So here is the status that Microsoft message that you specified could not deliver it to the recipient J Oreo. So when we see here and same time it says error is number is this and DNS domain is does not exist. So for this purpose, because there is also a non-delivery report which is called NDR message sent to the sender, and we can suggest him, please check whether you have entered your email address wrong or right. So one thing is most possible might be the sender has a wrong email address. He put the wrong email address. Secondly, might be his spam, or this one is blocked by the from the email receiving end. So then we have got the how to fix. Now if you see the message event, it's the all details here, which one of this is what time he received and what time he submit and what was the reason. The reason was fail. So when we click here report message, this report message will go to for submission who people are more expert to check this report and look into the matter. So this is the message submitted to Microsoft Analysis, or might be the person who was working in the company. he will be like select the submission type because we have email problem or URL problem. We can see this email problem. We can put the email and add the email network message ID. This is the encryption ID for this message. So when we send this report, and choose a recipient who had an issue. So we have an issue with the receiver and who is J Oreo. And here is another option to select a reason for the submission to the Microsoft. So here is might be the system thinks that the the recipient is a spam or virus, so it might be blocked. So if it's not, we know this is as the member of this company who have the right email address. So we can click should not have been blocked. So this message will deliver. One reason is here, and second reason is we can if we say suppose we can say should have been blocked. So in this option when we select this option, that might be this email should have a category as a fish, as a malware or a spam. So we can submit this report. So when we submit this, suppose for example we will submit this report, and it will goes to the Microsoft for analysis. So when it go for the analysis, they will back to us. So this is the some people are in your company who is who will look in actions for this. Now, secondly, close this and come to the this email which is delivered. So it's delivered, there is no problem. So this is a email best example that this was the right email address. There was no mistake and it has no virus or spam, so it didn't deliver. So this and this is the IP who is sending from his IP address. So this is the message trace option. And if we have a problem from the users who are complaining that they can't send an email or receive an email, follow the steps and sort your problem. Thank you for watching.